morning, what's up people? We're going to the lobby and we're gonna eat for breakfast. It's already 9 o'clock. Pagigising lang. Malayo pala to. Our dear, what is that? Yeah, that building.
That's Emirates Palace.
Emirates Palace. Okay.
The hotel.
Diyan pala kami galing. Ay, oo. Mandarin, oh. Sign of Mandarin. So, malayo pa pala ang aming pupuntahan for breakfast. Etihad Tower. Diba? Susyala naman. Layo, ah.
See the Etihad Tower?
Yeah.
And they had no food.
What's that? Dito pa pala kami mag-breakfast. Lito-lito na ako. Akala ko doon kami mag-breakfast. Kaya sabi ko pa parang ang layo. Iba pala to. Si Kuya mapagbiro. Okay. So this is the entrance. Dito pa rin kami nagmula eh. Okay, thank you. So this is the entrance. Dito kami mag-breakfast.